Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect FP Markets to MetaTrader 5. And the first step that you need to do is create your account. You can do this simply by clicking on Open Live or Start Trading for a demo account. And if you don't have any idea how to do that, please check out the previous video that I made, because in those videos I explain you exactly how you can create your account. Then from now we go for a demo account, it's fine. And then fill in right here your first name, email, country and your preferred language. Then the most important part, select MetaTrader 5. Fill in your password, select the type, raw or standard, it's fine. Currency, click then on save and next. And then what you receive in your email is this link right here. You also receive a lot of information, but we need this blue link right there. So now we click on this and now he is automatically downloading right there the exe file for MetaTrader 5. So we click here on yes, next, and then right now he is downloading the MetaTrader 5 right here. So I already logged in before this video with my FP Markets account. So that is why I already was logging into this account. But if you want to log in by yourself, you will see this the first time. If you go to File, Open Account, you will see this screen right there. If you do Next and then right now click on Connect with an existing trade account, then what you need to do is fill in right here your own account number code. So we will do this real quick for you guys to show that this one works. Like this, and then fill in your password. And then we click now on Finish. And boom, there it is, or account again, because normally when your account is not correct, he will tell you right here in the screen that it's not possible to log in. So now we are in with FP Markets through MetaTrader 5. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.